after nearly a year of silence, that is after December 11th, 2019, ISRO have broke its silence, and yesterday there was a successful launch through PSLV C-49 mission, an Earth Observation Satellite 01, EOS-01, and this is unique and spectacular as from last 8 months, most of the employees in the world are working from home. Space scientists cannot afford this. They have to work in laboratories, they have to work in space centers, and they have to work in field to make a mission successful. In spite of this obstacle, space scientists in India worked hard and made the PSLV C-49 launch successful. This was very unique, and Prime Minister Modi also congratulated for this. Coming back, yesterday's PSLV C-49 launch not only important with respect to India, that we have launched and placed a low Earth orbit satellite, Earth Observation Satellite 01. Earlier this EOS is named as RISAT-2BR2, RISAT, Radar Imaging Satellite 2BR2. Earlier it was named as, but now they wanted to name a specific series under EOS, Earth Observation Satellite. Now it is named as EOS-01. And along with our EOS-01, we have launched 9 customer satellites from foreign countries, 4 from Luxembourg, 4 from America, 1 from Lithuania. So, the satellites from Luxembourg, 4 satellites are marine application satellites. American satellites 4 are remote sensing satellites, and the Lithuanian satellite is an experimental satellite, total 9 satellites. And this Earth observation satellite is placed in the low Earth orbit successfully. This is good news. It was placed successfully and there was congratulations worldwide. And this is a 51st mission of PSLV. And this is a 76th mission launched from Sriharikota. This has so much of uniqueness. 51st mission from PSLV and 76th mission from Sriharikota. And this Earth observation satellite is a series, we can say properly, from RISAT, RISAT-2B, RISAT-2BR. As I told you, it was actually meant to be named as RISAT-2BR2, but they have named it as Earth observation satellite. And coming back, earlier we have similar observation satellites like Cartosat, OceanSat. They are for specific purposes, and this Earth observation also have specific purpose. What are the applications of this Earth observation satellite? One is agriculture, forestry, disaster management, land and forest mapping and monitoring, disaster management support, mapping of resources like water or minerals, weather and climate observations, soil assessment, etc. Anyhow, let us congratulate ISRO, as our ISRO is growing day by day and bringing many feathers in our cap. And all the best, ISRO, for your next projects, particularly Gaganyaan.